Watch, open it. You gotta open it. Open it, you gotta open it. Open it.
See what you're doing? That's just a piece of paper. That's not the real picture.
Okay. It's a piece of paper.
Open it.
You don't want it really.
Open it. I want to see one last picture. Let me show me one last picture.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is a breakdown.
That is a mental breakdown.
This is what I think about it.
You're away from my kids.
It's alright, children. Calm down. Uncle Richie's just setting fire to things.
I just want to see what you look like when you're old, Rich.
Come on! I can maybe mentally draw it for you.
Has anyone got an adapter for a 10-year-old Docomo phone? Because I've got it on it.
Richard, so mentally, how you doing right now?
Yeah. The fire alarm's gonna go off.
The kids are loving it. The kids are loving it. Pity the chip. It was a good photo, really. It's lovely.
It was like that Stephen Gerrard one when he's got all the Everton kit on with the trophies, yeah? Sorry, which one did you have again? I can't remember. So you had one, yeah?
Well, put some water in it. It's not even out yet.
Well, there might be a little bit left. We could probably...
Hey, let's just give Richard a vacuum cleaner and some space. Let him do his thing. It is, it's Everton blue.
Oh, man. Look, no.